This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. So this chicken noodle soup, it could cost you anywhere from $15 to $20 at a nice Chinese restaurant. But you can make this at home. It's about $1 to $1.50 Canadian using Walmart chicken. Oh, look at that, look at that. Homemade chicken noodle soup using Walmart chicken with some nice rice noodles. Enjoy. To make the Chinese chicken noodle soup, I put in 6 cups of water. So bring the water to a boil. So I'm going to add about 2 thumb sizes of ginger, 2 pieces about 2 thumb sizes. And then I got the chicken bones. I took out the meat, scraped off the meat from about half of the chicken from Walmart. So we're just going to turn the heat down, let it simmer for anywhere from an hour to 2 hours. When you first start out, you see a lot of the white foam on the top. So just take a ladle and just scoop that out, throw it away. Continue to scoop up the foam throughout the simmering time. I'm going to cover the broth and just let it simmer. So soup has been simmering for about an hour. So now I'm going to take out the chicken bones. I'll leave the ginger in there. I pretty well plucked all the meat off the bones. But some people like to cook the chicken bones with the meat and then pluck the chicken meat off the bones after. So that's personal preference. So the broth has been simmering for about an hour. I took all the bones out. So now we're going to add 3 Chinese dates. So they add sweetness to the soup. So here we have some goji berries. Goji berries supposedly improve your eyesight. That's what my mom says, but you should check up on that for yourself. I know it does improve the immune system, but you should check that up yourself as well. And then we add some garlic. So the other ingredients you can add, but you should do some research before you put it in. So this is sort of basic for us when we make Chinese soup. So next I'm going to add some chicken from the roast Walmart chicken. So you don't have to add too much. So I just pulled the chicken from the half chicken that I had left over from dinner. So now we're just going to let this soup continue to simmer for another half hour to an hour. So I'm going to replace the lid and let it keep the low simmer. You can have the chicken soup as a broth, or you can have chicken noodle soup. So this is a good brand here. These are rice noodles. They cook in about 4 to 6 minutes. So you can put some of the noodles in a bowl, and then you can have chicken broth over it to make chicken noodle soup. Noodles have been boiling for about 6 minutes now. So make sure you separate the noodles. Use a pair of tongs or chopsticks or whatever you need to do. Just separate the noodles so they don't stick together. This is the noodles under cold water so they don't stick together. About an hour and a half. So let's check on our chicken soup. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, still simmering. Just add some salt before serving. So I like the Himalayan pink rock salt. So I add anywhere from half a teaspoon to a teaspoon or more, depending on how you like it. So there you have it. Chinese style chicken soup using roast chicken from Walmart. Enjoy. Now we're going to have chicken noodle soup using the chicken from Walmart. Enjoy. The cost to make these noodles is about $1 to $1.50 Canadian. So check out my other recipes for Walmart roast chicken. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use
and some of the equipment. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.